Friends, welcome here in the second lecture of this arithmetic progression. Friends, in the last lecture we discussed about the basic of arithmetic progression. That means sequence, and there are types of progression. So now in this class we are going to discuss about only arithmetic progression. Friends, as we studied in the first class, we know the first term. Suppose now we are going to find the nth term of an AP. AP means arithmetic progression. How we can find that nth term? Nth terms after means what? Nth term means what? Tn. Tn means what? Nth term. T2 second term. T3 third term. Like this we are going to find nth term. Means we are going to formulate how to find the nth term of that arithmetic progression. Okay friends, see here. I'll take one example here. Look here. First of all, we'll take here A is equal. A means what? First term. First term I'll take as here 7. Okay. After that, D means common difference. I'll take here suppose 5. Let's see what we'll get here. The first term is what? 7. Second term is what? That is T1 plus D. Okay. So what about T1? 7 plus 5, that is 12. Okay friends, just try to observe over here. What do you get? T3, that is T2 plus D. Okay, what is that? 12 plus 5, that is 17. Like this, just try to solve, try to find every term in this way. But we are going to generalize. See here, how we can generalize? Just try to observe it. 17 plus 5 is 120. Okay friends, now look here. Here there are T1, T2, T3, T4. In this way we can find. What about T1 here? This is 7. T2 we'll just find it is 12. It is 17, 22, like this. Okay, now look here. This is came by adding 7 plus 5. Okay, this is came by adding 12 plus 5. Okay, what about this 12? This is nothing but T2. But now I will write here 7 plus 5 plus 5. Means what? 7 plus 2 into 5. Is it okay? Okay, after that, this is, just try to observe here, this is 17 plus 5. It is okay? What is this 17? 17 is nothing but this full part. Means what? 7 plus 2 into 5 plus again 5. Means what? 7 plus, here it is what? But you can say here 2 5 is 10 plus 5 15. Means 7 plus 3 into 5. Just try to observe here. This is T4. Is it okay? Look here. This is T4. This is T3. This is T1. And this is T2. And what about this? T1. Just look here. If you observe here, we are going to make some generalization. Okay. Now right here, this is nothing but T1. Okay. This is T2. What is that? T2 is nothing but what? This is T1. Means A we can write. A plus. What is this 5? 5 is what? D here. How many times here 5? 1 time. 1 time D here. Okay. What about this one? This is 7. 7 means what? A. Plus here 2 times of D here. Okay. Now here again A plus 3 times of D here. Okay. If you observe here, I write this one is also in the form of A plus 0D. Because there is no D. Okay. Now after adding this A plus 0D, A plus 1D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, now I am going to generalizing here. This is T1 which is A plus 0D, T2 A plus 1D, T3 A plus 2D, T4 A plus 3D. So what these are? Look here, this is 1, so here is 0. This is 2, here it is 1. Means just 1 less. Here it is 3, 2 is there. 4, 3 is there. Means what? We will write here T10. What we can write here? A plus 9b. What is this 9? 9 means what? 10 minus 9. Suppose we'll take here up here, suppose 100. What do we get? A plus 99b. What is that? 99? This is nothing but 100 minus 1. So in this way, we are going to write that about Tn. Means what? Nth term. That is definitely just one less than this n. Means what? Again A here, again D here, but here we'll write here n minus 1. Like this, we can write the nth term, which is one of the very important part of this one. Okay friends, in this way, we can find Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term. Nth term, that is nothing but Tn. Understand friends? Like this we can discuss about that nth term. Understand? This is really very important part of this arithmetic progression, which is nth term. After getting all this, friends, up till okay now? Now just look here. I'll take the same one. So using this concept, we can find any term. Suppose I need here what you can say 58th term. Using this one, the same sequence, I'll write here 58th. It means what? T50. I'll find here. Okay, using this one, this formula. How can find? Just look here. It is one of the very important one. Students, just take this all these things. Okay, is there any doubt? Just I'll repeat again. Okay, how it will come here. So this is very easy to say. This is T1 is equal to A plus 0D, T2 A plus 1D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Like this here T4 3D. Means T10 here less, just one less, 9. Like this we can simplify up to here. Understand friends? So using the same formula we can find any term of that arithmetic progression. Look here, I'll just find T50 up of this sequence. Here it is an arithmetic progression. See here friends. Look here, what is that? Just try to observe here. It is one of the very important section. Just look here. We need what? T50. Okay friends? Look here. Means n is equal to 50. Same thing we are going to find. Means what we get here now? This is the formula. Okay. Here Tn means we are going to find 50th term. A for we know here sun. Plus 50 minus 1. D for here it is 5. Now try to simplify. 7 plus 50 minus 1, it is 49 into 5. As your basic mathematics what tells us, board mass here, multiplication operation comes first. So 7 plus 49 5s are. So 5 9s are 45, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4, 24. So here in this way we can write it 252, which is 50th term. Like this we can find. Sometimes some questions may be like this one also. Suppose here in the same sequence, suppose I take here 376. Whether this term is contained in that arithmetic progression or not. Let's check 376. Okay friends, see how. Just try to observe here. Okay friends, we are going to check whether 376 is the term of given AP. Okay, that means we are going to check whether in that particular progression whether this 376 is there. Let's check. I suppose let Tn, the term, which term that one we don't know, so that Tn is equal to 376. Okay, as we know the formula of Tn, which is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I'll put the values here. What about Tn? 376. A for 7 plus n we don't know. D for that 5. So try to just check whether it is Okay, just simplify. What do you get here? 7 plus. Just multiply here 5 and minus 5 ones are 5. Now these two, what do you get here? 376. This 5 and keep as it is. Here it is plus 2. So that 2 comes this side. 376 minus 2. That is 5n. So here 374 will get here. This is 5n. So n is equal to 374 upon 5. Therefore, n is equal to. Now just divide. What we get here? 5 7s are 35. 2 remains 24. 5 4s are 20. 4 remains 0.40. 5 8s are. Here it is. The 376 is this the term. Just try to observe here. In any progression, first term, second term, third term, look at first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Okay, so what these are? All these are what? Natural numbers. Okay, but this one 74.8, which is not a natural number. That means definitely we can say this 376 is the term which is not of the given arithmetic progression. Like this, we can check whether the number is of that given arithmetic progression or not. Like this, we can check. Okay, friends. So, using all this information, we are going to start for the second practice set, that is 3.2. Okay, using very important formula. Again, I am telling this is the very important formula. Okay, friends. Friends, in the practice set of arithmetic progression, that is 3.2. Okay, we just discussed the formula of Tn, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula. Yes, friends, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we just discussed about this formula. Okay, now we are going to start for the practice set 3.2 here. Okay, friends. Now the first one, as usual, the first sum is of activity base. We have to fill the blank spaces. See here, it is 1, 8, 15, 22. It is already given an AP. So the first term A means what? 8 here. 1. T1 again first term, that is 1 only. T2 8 here. Okay. T3 15. Okay, friends. Now T2 minus T1. T2 it is 8 minus 1, which is 7. T3 15 minus T2 8. So their difference is again 7. So both these are 7. So D is come here 7, which is constant. Okay, friends. Now in the next one, T1 3, T2 6, T3 9, T4 12. Okay. Now what is T2 minus T1? 6 minus 3. We can write here 6 minus 3. How much? 3. We can write here. Okay. Now again T3 minus T2, that is 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. Again 3. It is 3. So every time here 3 came, here also and here also, the common difference 3 is, which is constant. Okay. Again, all these are APs. T3. Now look here. Not always T1 only first. Here T3 is there, which is minus 13. T2 minus 8. T4 minus 18. And T1, which is minus 3. Okay. Now T2 minus T1 minus 8 minus 3. Very carefully we have to look here. Minus 8 plus 3. Here it is minus 5. Like this we can write here minus 5. Again T3 minus T2. T3 minus 13 minus 8. So minus 13 plus 8. Here it is minus 5. Okay, both time we'll get here minus 5 only. Here A means the first term. First term is what? Minus 3. And D will just get, that is minus 5. Okay. Now very similar in the fourth one. T1, which is 70. T2 60. T3 50. Okay, like this one. A for first term, that is 70. D means we have to take here 60 minus 70. T2 minus T1. Here it is minus 10. So the common difference is minus 10. Like this we can solve. Okay friends? Friends, now in the second example, see here. What is the second one? Here they are given to us one sequence. We are going to verify or check whether it is AP or not. If it is AP, then we have to find 20th term. Okay, see first they are given to us minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23 and 30. Like this, the given sequence is given. We are going to first check whether it is AP or not. Okay, if yes, then only 20th term of that progression we have to find. Okay, see first. What is that? Let's check. A is equal to minus 12. It is first term. Now that is nothing but T1. So just try to observe here. T2 is what? Common difference we have to check first. Okay, that is everywhere we have to check the same term or not. D, which is what? T2 minus T1. Minus 5 minus 12. So minus 5 plus 12, that is plus 7. Again D, same thing or not, we'll check here. T3 minus T2, that is 2 minus 5. 2 plus 5, 7. Okay, looking like it is the same, but we have to check all the terms. Suppose maybe some different between here also, maybe it is not AP, so that is why we have to check all terms. So again it is same. T4 minus T3, what is T4? 9 minus 2, 7. D, T5 minus T4, that is 16 minus 9, 7. Again T6 minus T5, 23 minus 16, 7. And here T7 minus T6, 30 minus 23, 7. Therefore, we can write here common difference is constant. Therefore, what you can say? The given sequence is an arithmetic progression. Therefore, common difference is what here? That is 7 and A is what? Minus 12. So after getting these two, it is AP. That is why we have to find that 20th term. Means n is equal to 20. In this formula, that we just discussed before starting this exercise, Tn formula we know. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. Here T20, A for minus 12. Okay, plus n 20 minus 1 and D we just find that is a 7. So minus 12 plus 19 into 7. Minus 12 plus 7 nines are 63. 7 under 7 plus 6, 30. So by subtraction, I think here it is 121. This is T20. Understand friends? Like this. All examples are very simple. Okay friends? Friends, in the third sum. In the third sum, the sequence is given to us already. Okay? So from that we are going to find some terms here. So look here in the third sum. What is that? The sequence is given. That sequence is nothing but 12, 16, 20, 24, ... is given. Is an arithmetic progression is given. From that we are going to find 24th term. Okay, first of all it is given. So 24th term we have to find. See, this is first term, second, third, fourth. So somewhere 24th term. So that term we are going to find. Look here. So T1 is equal to 12, which is we can say as A. Okay, D is 16 minus 12, which is 4. No need to find everywhere because already it is AP. So it is given. Okay friends. Now using that, as we know, what we know formula we already know here. Now in that formula I will put up here which term we need here? 24th term. So n is equal to 24 we have to put up here. So T24, A for 12. Yeah, again here I will put here 24 minus 1, D for 4 here. So 12, here it is 23 into 4. So 12 plus I think it is 92. Here it is 104, which is 24th term. Understand friends? Look how simple it is. Friends, this is third one. Fourth one is also very simple. Look here. Then given to us again it is an AP. Look here. It is an AP which is 7, 13, 19, 25 is an arithmetic progression is given. So from that we are going to find 19th term. Look how simple these are and similar these are. See first. Again I write here A which is T1 7. Okay. B common difference 13 minus 7 which is 6. Again everywhere that 6 is must be obviously. So as we know formula. Remember friend this kinds of formula is very important. A plus n minus 1d. Now which term we need here? 19th term. So put wherever n, put here 19. So A for 7. Again 19 minus 1, D for 6. So 7 plus here is 18 into 6. So 7 plus 18 6 are 108 and addition is 150 which is 19th term. Okay friends, look how simple all these are. Only important part is what? This is the formula. Understand friends? Friends. Now, fifth sum is also very similar as we solve the third and fourth. Look here. What is that fifth sum? Look here. That fifth thing means what? Find the 27th term of a given AP. Okay? 9, 4, minus 1. Okay, see here the next one is what? Minus 6, minus 11 is an AP. So from that we are going to find 27th term. Simple. See here T1 means A which is 9 here, D means 4 minus 9 which is minus 5. Remember friends. So as we know that formula already we know here. Now put here n for 27. Okay friends, A for 9. 27 minus 1 into D minus negative. This is very important. Okay, just give some concentration here. 9 plus how much? 26 into minus 5. 9 plus minus minus. 26 5s are obviously 130. So here it is minus 121 which is 27th term. Understand friends? Look very simple. That means third, fourth, fifth. These three sums are very simple. Okay. Now we take here only the sixth sum. This is just different but very important. Look here. Find how many 3-digit natural numbers. 3-digit natural numbers starts from 100 and up to 999. Is it correct? Because before this one 99 which is the largest 2-digit number, after this one it is the smallest 4-digit number. Means 100 to 999, these are what? 3-digit natural numbers. Okay. Now what we have to find here? Are divisible by 5. How many terms are divisible by 5? So let's check. Okay friends, look here. First I will write here. Very important part is what? 100, 101, 102, ... 999. What these are 3-digit natural numbers. Are 3-digit natural number. Okay friends. Now we are going to divide by 5. Means what? It is divisible by Again 105 I have to take. Okay, remaining all, it is not divisible by 5. Here 110 dot dot dot. Now from last 999, obviously it is not divisible by 5. So which term will be the divisible? So 998 also not, 7 also not, 6 also not, but 995 must be divisible. Okay, these are what? 3-digit natural number which are divisible by 5. Okay, so look here, are 3-digit natural number which are divisible by 5. Okay, first of all, it must be arithmetic progression. Whenever it is divisible by some term, so obviously the common difference is that same term. Now here common difference is 5, 5, 5. So it is an AP. Okay, so look here. Here T1, which is A, that is 100. Common difference B, 105 minus 100, which is 5. Okay friends, look here. So after getting this one, we are going to find this 995 is which term. That is only how many terms contain here. This is first term, second term, third term. This is which term. Means in that particular AP, so many that many terms are there. Okay, so this is what they given to us Tn now. That is 995. Okay friends, look here, 100, 105, 110 and all these are AP. Why? Because they are divisible by 5. Whenever divisible by 5 or multiple of that one or difference of that one, so all that one are arithmetic progression. Okay, so now, so we are going to find in this particular arithmetic progression how many terms are there. Means we'll take here this 995 as a Tn, last term. So that one we are going to find. So again, as we know that formula Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1D. Tn means 995. A for 100 plus N we don't know. D 5. Now just try to simplify. What we get here? 995. Here is 100 plus 5 into N minus 5. Now these two means what? It is 95 plus 5. Here is 995. Now take that 95 to this side. 995 minus 95 is equal to 5n. Here it is 900. Okay, is equal to 5n. Means we can say here n is equal to 900 upon 5. Now just try to divide here. So what we get here? 5 ones are 5 ones are 4 means 0, 40, 5 8s are. And last 0 as it is 180 means what? This 995 is 180th term. Look here, 995 is 180th term. Means what? There are 180 terms which are divisible by 5 and 3-digit natural number. Okay friends, some examples are also like this one. They are just trying to observe it, think it here, exactly what we have to find. Understand friends? Friends, see here. In the 7th term, it is just again different example. Okay, I'll read first. The 11th term and 21st term of an AP are respectively given, that is 16 and 29. Okay, find the 41st term of that AP. Look friends, what is given to us? 11th term is given, it is 7th sum. 11th term is given, 11th and 21st term 69, 29. This 69 and here 16 and 21st term is what? 29. It is given. Now from all these we are going to find 41st term. Means T41 we are going to find. It is very important. Okay, see first. As we know formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now I'll write T11 is equal to a plus, may I write here 11 minus 1 into d means what? A plus 10d. Yes, and this T11 is what? 16. Hence we can write a plus 10d is equal to 16. This is equation number 1. And what about 21st term? This is T21 is equal to a plus, may I write 20d? Is it okay? Because 21 minus 1, 20d. And this T21 already we know that is 29. So a plus 20d, that means a plus 20d is equal to 29. This is equation number 2. Now just try to observe here. A plus 10 is equal to 16, a plus 20d is equal to 29. Straight away we have to our simultaneous equation. In the first topic already we discussed about that one. So like that, here a and a, by subtracting this a getting cancelled. Okay, only we can find the value of t here. So subtract 1 from 2. Okay, subtract equation number 1 from 2. What is 2? A plus 20d is equal to 29, and here a plus, what is this? 10d is equal to 16. Now by subtracting, this getting cancelled. Okay friends, this we have to change the sign. What do we get here? 10d is equal to what? 30. So d is equal to 13 upon 10. You can keep this one as it is, or we may write here 1.3 also. Now this substitute d is equal to 13 by 10 in either 1 or 2 to get a. So I put here in 1. So what is that? A plus 10d into 16. So I'll put here a plus 10 into d for 13 upon 10 is equal to 16. This 10 getting cancelled. So a plus 13 is equal to 16. So a is equal to 16 minus 13. So a is equal to 3. After getting a and d both, this is d, this is a. So it is very easy to find any term we can find. What we need? 41st term. So T41 is equal to a plus, may I write 40d? Is it okay? Why? Because n minus 1. What is n? 41. So 41 minus 1, 40. I'll put now a and d both. I'll write here a is equal to what? 3 and d is equal to 13 upon 10. Both will put here to get 41st term. A for 3, 40 into d for 13 upon 10. This 0, 0 getting cancelled. 3 plus 13 4s are 52. So here it is 55, which is 41st term. Like this we can solve. When they are given to us two terms of any sequence or any arithmetic progression, we can find any other term of that particular arithmetic progression we can find. Okay friends? Friends, in the 8th sum, what is that? 11, 8, 5, 2, dot, dot, dot. In this AP, means it is given. Okay, which term is number minus 151? Somewhere is minus 151 is there. So that is of which term? Okay, so look here. 8, 1, 11, 8, 5, 2, dot, dot, dot. So somewhere minus 151 is there. Okay, we have to find this is of which term. Okay, see here is an arithmetic progression is given. So look here friends, a is equal to, that is t1 is equal to 11 and d is equal to 8 minus 11, which is minus 3, remember. So here one more thing is given, tn, that is 151, but is minus. So we are going to find n. This here we have to find. Very simple. As we know, formula Tn a plus n minus 1 into d. We'll put here, this is minus 151. A for 11. Here it is n, we don't know. D for minus 3. Okay? Look here. Very simple sum. This is 11 plus minus 3n. Minus minus plus 3. So in the next step, 11 plus minus minus 3n plus 3. What do we get this 11 plus 3? 14. 14 minus 3n. I'll take here, what can take here? Just see here. I'll take this 3n to this side and 151 to that side. What do we get here? This is 3n. 14 is there only. Minus. That is minus plus. Because minus 151 goes to that side. Plus 151. So 3n is equal to 100 and what do we get here? 65. Is it okay? Addition. So n is equal to 165 upon 3. So just by simplification, 3 ones are 3 5s are. 1 remains again 3 5s are. So n is equal to 55. Means what? Minus 151 is 55th term of given AP. Yes, this is the system to solve these kinds of examples. In this one, they are given to somewhere one term is there, and we have to find that term is which term. Like this, we have to simplify. Understand, friends? Friends, the second last, that is 9th one. Look here, what is that? It is also one different sum. Look here. In the natural numbers from 10 to 250, how many are divisible by 4? So all natural numbers always be arithmetic progression. Why? Because the common difference is everywhere 1 is there. Now what they are given to us from 10 to 250. So friends, from 10 to, from means 10 also and 250 also both are included. But sometimes in between 10 and 250 tells us. So both are excluded. Okay. So now we are going to think both are included. See here. Okay. Natural numbers from 10 to 250 means what you can say here? It is natural number. Okay friends. See here 10, 11, 12 dot. Here it is the last term 250 is an AP. Obviously because all the natural numbers. Now divisible by 4. So look here, the first term 10 which is not divisible. Here not divisible. So 12. So what we get here? 12. Divisible means only we have to add 4 only. This is 16, 20 dot. Now just look here 250. Whether it is divisible by 4. So 4 ones are 4 6 are. 1 remains 10. It is not divisible. Means 250 is not being counted here. So just last one. 249 obviously not. 248. Look here. It is divisible? Yes it is. 2 4 6 are 4 2s. Like this. Means the last term is what? 248. So in all, how many terms are there? That is our A. Okay, is the arithmetic progression which are divisible by 4. Is it okay? Now look here. A is equal to means T1 is equal to 12. D, wherever common difference is divisible, so it is only the common difference. 4 and the last term, that is Tn, which is 248. What do we have to find here? So how many terms are there? Okay, are divisible by 4. Let's see here. Means n only we have to find. Again, as we know, the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. Put here, that is 248. A for 12 plus n, that one we don't know. D 4. Now just try to simplify. What do we get here? 248, here 12 plus 4n. Yes, minus 4 ones are 4. So here it is 12 minus 4, 8 here. And this 4n keep as it is. So 248 minus 8 is equal to 4n. 240 is equal to 4n. So n is equal to 240 upon 4. So n is equal to 4 6 and 0. So there are how many terms? there are 60 terms which are divisible by 4 from 10 to 250 natural numbers. That is our answer. There are 60 terms which are divisible by 4 from 10 to 250 natural numbers. Understand, friends? Very simple. But try to get the meaning of example. Okay? Friends, the last sum of this practice set, 10th one. See here. In an AP, 17th term is 7 more than 10th term. Find the common difference. Very, very useful. What is that? 17th term means what? T17 is what? 7 more than 10th term, T10. So we have to find common difference. This is the given information, which is very, very useful. So I'll write in words as well. Look here. 17th term is 7 more than 10th term. You can say here 10th term. Okay, friends? Very useful. Here also we are going to use the same formula. As we know, that is Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now what we need? 17 and T10. So both we can write. 17 means A plus 16D and 10th term means A plus 9D. Is it okay? So what is we know here? T17 is equal to T10 plus 7. We'll put the values only here. What is T17? A plus 16D. T10 A plus 9D plus 7. So here only simplifying this A getting cancelled. Cancel means A comes this side, A minus A getting cancelled. So now look here, what do we get? 16D is equal to 9D plus 7. So only by simplification we can find the value of D here. So 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. Here it is 7D is equal to 7. So D is equal to 7 upon 7. That is D is equal to 1. We can say here, therefore, common difference D is equal to 1. Understand, friends? Look here. Try to solve some examples from problem set also using this 3.1. Okay? So, friends, try to solve yourself some examples. Then you can get some confidence. Okay, friends? Stop here today. In the next class, we'll discuss the next part. Thank you, friends.